Crowdstreet Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Crowdstreet and related resources can be found in the description below. Crowdstreet is a leading real estate investment platform that provides accredited investors with access to high-quality commercial real estate opportunities. It's a marketplace designed for those seeking direct investments in properties, with options for single deals, funds, and tailored portfolios. One of Crowdstreet's standout features is its focus on institutional-grade commercial real estate. Unlike traditional REITs or pooled investments, Crowdstreet allows you to invest directly in individual properties, such as office buildings, multifamily units, and industrial spaces. This level of granularity lets investors build a portfolio aligned with their personal financial goals and risk tolerance. The platform's extensive project details make it easy to evaluate each investment opportunity. Every listing includes comprehensive documentation, financial projections, market analyses, and sponsor track records. This transparency ensures that you have all the data needed to make informed decisions. Crowdstreet also offers diverse investment options to suit different strategies. You can choose single property deals for targeted exposure, managed funds for diversification, or customized portfolios through the Crowdstreet Advisors service. This flexibility makes it appealing for both seasoned real estate investors and those looking to diversify their broader portfolio. The user-friendly dashboard is another highlight, allowing you to track your investments, monitor distributions, and review performance reports. For those seeking passive income, many projects offer regular payouts, making it a reliable option for generating cash flow. One consideration with Crowdstreet is its exclusivity for accredited investors and relatively high minimum investments, typically starting at $25,000. While this may limit accessibility for some, it's an excellent option for serious investors seeking high-quality deals. In conclusion, Crowdstreet is a premier platform for accredited investors looking to access institutional-grade commercial real estate opportunities with in-depth transparency and flexibility. Its robust marketplace, detailed project insights, and diverse investment options make it a standout choice in the real estate crowdfunding space. Check the links in the description to explore Crowdstreet and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should provide clarity on whether Crowdstreet is the right platform for your real estate journey.